Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick business model for complete beginners. It takes focus and consistent marketing to make good money online.
You found this video because you're wondering, is affiliate marketing real and does it really work? Well, let's get right into it, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset, and thank you for tuning in. We're going to be talking about affiliate marketing and does it really work? And the short answer to that is absolutely yes. But in this video, I'm going to actually give you some actionable tips to go with my answer and some income proof to let you guys get started on the right path to starting to make money online with affiliate marketing, because it absolutely does work when you do the right things. So I have 3 affiliate marketing success tips that I want to share with you guys. But before I get into those tips, let me share with you some income proof just to let you know that even as a beginner, you can start seeing some traction and you can start making some money. Here's some of the income that I've made recently. So here's an affiliate program that I'm a part of. It's called My Lead Gen Secrets, and they actually give you leads that you can market to. And I have 2 accounts, and in this first account, as you can see, I've already made $287. I've cashed out $265, and I still have yet to take this payment out of $22 that's still left in my account. If I go to my Warriors Plus account, these are some recent transactions. And if I scroll up here to the top and click on dashboard, you can see that I even made a sale today. All right, I even made a sale today, and that sale was from, let me click on stats, and that sale was from the Click Engine. So even as an absolute beginner, guys, because I am no guru, all right, I promise you I am no guru, but my income is growing, and the more I get better at this, the more results that I'm seeing. And I'm sure that if you get serious and get started and apply these 3 tips that I'm about to share with you, you will also get the ball rolling in your favor, and you will start earning more and more commissions. Let's get started with tip number 1. So the first affiliate marketing tip that I want to share with you guys is, this is something that a lot of beginners do, is they direct link. And that's something you shouldn't be doing. This is common practice that most affiliates, they will go to a network like ClickBank, for example, and most people they'll get their affiliate link, they'll copy it, and they'll blast this link all over the internet. All right, this is a common mistake. So if you're doing this, stop it right now. Don't direct a link with your affiliate link, but instead use a landing page. This is a landing page I made some while back where it collects somebody's email. All right, this is the correct way to use affiliate marketing, which leads to affiliate marketing tip number 2. You want to start growing your own list, your own database of emails. All right, if you've heard this term before, the money's in the list, it's absolutely true. When you can collect a huge database of people's information, their name and their email, or even just their email, you can have your own database of people that you can tap into, to where you can instantly write an email, press send, and send people directly to a product. Industry standard is that you will make $1 per email on your list. So if you have 20,000 people on your email list, you should be making at least, $10,000 to $20,000 per month in your online business. So always collect leads and grow your database in your list. Landing pages are super simple to make. I usually make all my landing pages in about 10-15 minutes. Utilize them to grow your list and to make more money. Hey, smash that like button if you're getting some knowledge and some tips and some value from this video so far. And tip number 3 for success with affiliate marketing is market daily. Every day you turn on your TV, you're being marketed to. There's some type of ad or commercial. They're trying to sell you something. Every time you turn on the radio, they're marketing something. Every time you log on your computer, you should be placing ads online so that people can click on those ads, or at least learn some type of more about you and what you're offering, all right, as an affiliate marketer. So you should be marketing daily. You should be collecting emails daily. You should be sending emails, sending someone back to a product on a daily basis. You can start off by doing this absolutely free. There's a lot of sites that you can get traffic from, mailers and even these traffic exchanges. They absolutely do work when you promote the right products that help people either get more traffic or something. But there's a lot of different products out there that you guys can use and partner as an affiliate marketer and start making money with. All right, these are 3 top tips that will separate you from the beginner affiliate marketers and start getting the ball rolling so that you can start making some sales. Don't forget, don't direct link, send people straight to a landing page. Tip number 2 is collect emails, and tip number 3 is to market every single day to get new people and new eyeballs to your affiliate products, and you will start to make money. If you're still watching until the very end, I have a gift for you. Congratulations. Click on the first link at the bottom of this description. It is a free gift of some of my favorite traffic sources, some of the sources that I actually use to get traffic and to get sales, like you seen earlier with the sale that I got today. All right, so check out that free gift. It's a free traffic gift of some of my favorite traffic sources. Most of them are free and some of them are paid. All right, but enjoy that traffic gift. And if you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you will enjoy this next one as well. Subscribe before you go, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless you.